Is your Viper car alarm constantly going off? The most common culprit is oversensitive shock sensors. These sensors detect vibrations and can be triggered by environmental factors like heavy traffic, hail, or strong winds. First, try adjusting the shock sensor sensitivity. For newer Viper models, post 2020, you can often do this via a Bluetooth app like directed Smart Start by recalibrating the sensor sensitivity. If that doesn't work, refer to your car alarm manual for the specific steps to enter programming mode, often involving turning the ignition key in a sequence like off on, off on. Ensure your alarm isn't accidentally in valet mode, which may cause unexpected behavior. Valet mode temporarily deactivates the alarm system for servicing. Typically, you can exit valet mode by turning the key in the ignition and pressing the valet button. Check your manual for the exact procedure. Refer to your car alarm manual for the specific steps. If adjusting sensitivity and valet mode aren't resolving the issue, the next step is to inspect the wiring. Faulty wiring, such as short circuits or loose connections, can cause persistent false alarms. Locate the Viper Alarms control module, usually under the dashboard. Carefully examine the wiring harnesses, red for power, black for ground, for any damage or loose connections. If you're comfortable using a multimeter, check for continuity. If you find any wiring issues, consult a professional installer. Looking ahead, Viper alarms are trending towards smart systems with AI-enhanced sensors to distinguish between real threats and benign shocks. These AI-driven systems promise to reduce false positives significantly. Furthermore, integration with vehicle telematics allows for remote adjustments via smartphone apps. Keep your alarm's firmware updated to benefit from these improvements and address vulnerabilities. For example, newer models have firmware patches for improved shock sensor calibration via Bluetooth apps.